Well, today we're cooking up barbecue chicken on the pit barrel cooker, and it's gonna be amazing. So stick around and I'll show you all the details. Let's prepare the chicken. Today we're using an Out West Farms chicken, which is a local farmer here in Oklahoma City. If you've never used them and you're local, check them out. They're awesome. And we're going to be using duck fat spray as a binder to give that extra crispiness, but you can use whatever binder you like. Then some Hardcore Carnivore Red and get that nice color all around that chicken. And then we're going to cut up some slices of butter and stick it underneath the skin for the extra buttery flavor. I just love butter. Shout out to my dad who loved butter as well. So that's what we're going to do. And we're going to be using the pit barrel accessory, the turkey and chicken hanger, and put that in there and it's ready to go. It's that simple for preparation. Now we're going to light up the pit barrel and show you a few tips and tricks there and get this chicken smoking. Let's prepare the grill. Today we're using some Jealous Devil charcoal. This is going to be briquettes, and then we're going to be using a chimney starter just like this. I've already placed the basket of charcoal below with about 10 briquettes down there with one piece of pecan wood chunk. Now when cooking chicken, I don't like using a lot of wood smoke, so we're just doing one piece and bury it with the briquettes, and then we've got another 10 or so here. These are extra large, and then we're going to dump this once we light this up into the charcoal basket and be ready to go. The primary way, if you watch my channel lately, this past 6 months, has been using the Grill Blazer grill torch. This is the sous vide version, and they also have a longer version as well. It can light up your charcoal and also sear food. It can light up charcoal in 60 seconds. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm not even gonna use a fire starter, but I'm gonna use this Grill Blazer torch to light the charcoal. And you find this helpful and you think you might wanna use something like this, you can use the code BARTLOW for 10% off, and I'll have a link in the description to make it really easy for you. So let's let this puppy up and get going. Well, as you can see, we just put on the chicken on the pit barrel, and if you have a question on what temperature that we did this on the pit barrel, on average, this thing goes 250 to 300 degrees. That's its sweet spot. And so if you ever want to increase the temperature on a pit barrel, just remove one of these rods to get more airflow, or just simply crack the lid. And you also have a little spot in the very bottom to kind of position open or close depending on the environment you're in. And again, we're gonna let this run until 160, and then we're gonna baste it in barbecue sauce, and then we'll take it until 165 to 170 in the white and dark meat, and then I'll show you what that looks like when we get to that point. All right, we're just checking in. I decided to throw some broccoli on the vegetable hanger that Pit Barrel has, and those finished already. I'll show you what that looks like as I'm talking. And now we're getting closer to temperature. I'm just gonna check in. We're about 45 minutes to an hour into this cook and see where we are. 140. I'm gonna take it for another 15 minutes or so and get it to that 150 to 160, and then I'm gonna baste it in some barbecue sauce using some TD's low calorie sauce. Mix some honey in there to get a little bit more liquidy, and baste that puppy, and then we'll take it for another 10 minutes or so, and we'll be ready to slice it and show you what it looks like. All right, friends, we have reached the temperature we're looking for, that 160 or so, and this is looking great. And so what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna go ahead and baste this in barbecue. And I'm gonna go ahead and put a grill grate down on top of it. Lay this down here just for a second. Woo. And just like that, we have basted this in barbecue sauce. I'm just gonna let it go for 5 minutes. It's simply a small chicken and it will go really fast. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this in here. All right, friends, we just finished this up. I want to show you a close-up of what this chicken looks like and check out the juicy flavor and tenderness coming out of this chicken. Time for a taste test. So here is part of that white meat right here. Oh yeah. Loving the flavor from this Hardcore Carnivore Red. We nailed the juiciness. This thing is delicious, and that barbecue sauce from TD's gives it that extra little flavor. But if you're not a big sauce fan, don't sauce it and just do some rub and fire up that pit barrel or your grill, and you'll have a tasty, tender chicken just like this. Friends, if I have earned your subscription, I would love for you to subscribe to the channel. Check out everything we're cooking here from Pit Barrel, Kamado Joe, Solo Stove, and other grills, and also reviews. I would love to know what you thought of this cook, so definitely comment below. Let me know what you think. Again, from my backyard to yours, less hate, more love, good barbecue. Till next time.